YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you're into that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. Today I have a very exciting unboxing. I am surprised that I have this unboxing because this is an item that I've been looking for from Louis Vuitton for several years. I first saw it when it was brand new. It was available on the website and in stores, and I didn't buy it then because I thought it was pretty overpriced, like, you know, everything at Louis Vuitton is, for what it is. And then it went away, and I've never seen another, well, I've maybe seen like one or two, but they've been even more overpriced. They've been over retail because it's such a rare item. And I bet a lot of you have never even heard of this item. I did include it on my ultra rare Louis Vuitton video, and I will link that below. And I found this, as I have found most of my treasures, through The RealReal. So here is the box. It is a small item, and I've already cut it open. Looks like this with the bubble wrap. Receipt is in here. And then here's the item in one of their little dust bags. Can anyone tell what it is yet? Can you guess? Here's the back. Interesting. This is also a print that I don't have, so it'll be the first print of this in my collection. Honestly, it wouldn't be my first choice of print in this particular item, and I'll tell you why in a minute, but this is so rare, you take what you can get. All right, let's pull this right out. It is the Louis Vuitton Expert pen case, and this is in the Damier Graphite. So let me give you a little spin of the outside. Get that tag out of the way. I'm going to take a minute to look it over here and make sure everything looks okay. Everything looks great. The glazing is great on this too. That was one thing that I didn't even think to be worried about until I got it in my hands. It is beautiful. I love it. So I'm going to open this up and show you how it works. So it obviously unzips here, and it actually unzips all the way. There you go. And then that opens up, and then these flaps open up. And it has these 4 places to put pens. And I always thought they were leather because I've never seen this in person. And I thought they were leather like the agendas have a little leather pen tab, but these are not. They're actually elastic, so you can have pens of different sizes in there, which is very handy. This is made in France, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. The inside is a black leather, and obviously it has silver hardware. The zipper pull says Louis Vuitton, and it says that on both sides. And it says Louis Vuitton on both of those squares on the front, and nowhere else on the squares. Now, with a lot of these canvas pieces that have glazing on places where it bends a lot, you expect over time to have glazing issues. And I'm looking at all these corners where this has been glazed, and they all look perfect. No problems at all. I was saying that this wouldn't be my first choice in print. My first choice would be the Damier Ebene to match all of my agendas that are in Damier Ebene. This is my desk agenda, which I only have one notebook in at the moment because I'm using the other one on my desk, but those go together well enough. I can live with that, I think. I have a few nice pens, and I wanted a nice place to store those pens, so I think this will do. Oh, by the way, if you were wondering about this tag, this is like with most Preloved sites. You keep the tag on, and when you cut it off, then you can't return it anymore. So when you cut it off, you've officially bought it. And this looks perfect, so I plan to cut the tag off. You won't believe what I paid for this. Retail on this item, if I remember correctly, was in the $400 range, so 400 something. And on the very rare occasions that I have seen one of these online, they've been upwards of 600. The RealReal, this is why I love The RealReal. The RealReal had this for $225. And I saw it and was able to purchase it because I'm a first look member with The RealReal. That means I pay $10 a month to have 24-hour early access to their new listings, and they post new listings twice a day. I'm in Central Time. For me, that means they post at 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. and I'm always on the website as close as I can be to those times to check their latest postings, and that is why I was able to snag such a rare piece. I have a system. What ultra rare pieces do you have in your collection or on your wish list? Leave those in the comment section below, and make sure you check out these Preloved sites that I have listed below, because that is where you find stuff like this, and you can find amazing deals. You'll find things that are way overpriced, and sometimes you'll be willing to pay that. I'm usually not. Never would have got this if I wasn't looking at those sites. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day. Bye.